Hey, what's up? So this will be a fast video where I'll show you something called watch mode. So let's go to our Webpack config. So all of these files that Webpack will use or touch in the dependency graph, you can actually watch them. So any change you make at them while developing will tell Webpack to recompile and rebundle the whole thing again, which is a very nice thing to have. You can just reload your browser and all the changes will be there. You don't need to keep typing npm run bundle over and over again. So to do this, the fastest way is to add watch true, and this will always watch your dependency, the graph, the whole thing. It will keep watching that. So npm run bundle, let me go to my index.js and let's run that in the lifesaver. We will come to a point where we will set up our Webpack development server, but for now we will just stick with this. So let's just wait it. As you can see, it's watching files as well. This, if you notice, didn't appear in the previous times. So let's just wait, because this process won't finish. It will keep just running here forever. Come on. Okay, so as you can see, it's finished. And yeah, this is, let me change something. So let me put them side by side. Oops, that's anyway. So let's go to our home. Let's change this name to reward with 3 Z's. So just notice what will happen. This rebuilt the whole thing, and this refreshed because we in the live server we have live reload. So since our bundle changes, it will reload. We will do this in Webpack in the future, but for now the whole thing bundled again, which is what we wanted. And we should see that change, but because the browser will cache it, let me just remove the alerts. They are really annoying. Yeah, let me remove them. The browser is cached. Let me now remove the cache. Okay, I removed it. So now if I return this and let me remove the cache again, as you can see we have the changes. I actually removed the cache. If you are on Windows or Linux, you should click Ctrl Shift and R. This will remove the cache and load the new version of the assets. If you are in Mac, Command Shift and R. So yeah, that's basically about the watch mode, but this is not that practical. It's not always you want a watch mode, right? I want something to be configurable. Yeah. So to do what you will use the npm scripts. First thing, in this bundle will stay the same, but I will create a new one called bundle like this, then :watch like this, and I will do npm, or no, I will just put the same thing here, and then -- watch, and let's run this command now. Oops. Let's run this one. Remove the alert, it's annoying. Okay, so npm run bundle watch. So as you can see, this will run it with the watch mode. The normal npm run bundle will just run it. Yeah, this is in watch mode. As you can see, the process did not terminate. So now I will stop it by hitting Ctrl C, and if I run it with only bundle, as you can see, it will also watch the files. Yes, that's because I have here watch to true. Let me remove this and run it again. So bundle won't watch the files. With -- watch, it will watch the files, which is something interesting. So it's nice. This is the normal behavior that you want. You will build 2 commands, one to watch, one just to build, and this is the watch, just to prove to you that this one works, or used to do that. And but we are repeating this. I prefer to do it like this. So this command, this npm script, run this one with the watch command, with the watch flag. So npm run bundle. So it will run this command and pass to it the watch. But watch here, we will see an error, or not an error, an unexpected behavior. So npm run watch. Yeah, it passed the watch to the npm run bundle, but actually it won't watch it. And let's just wait for the process to finish. Yeah, it actually did not wait anything, because this dash dash flag have been passed to the npm run script, not to this script here. To make it, that's how npm works. When you pass flags to npm scripts, it will be passed to the current script you are running. In our case, it's npm run. To make it pass to the bundle command, which is this one here, to pass this flag here, you will put 2 hyphens. Then your flags might look weird, but I thought it would be something really interesting to show you. As you can see, it's now in watching our files. Yeah, I've seen a lot of people do 2 hyphens in their npm scripts. It always confuses me, but this is what it is. If your npm scripts is calling something and your flag is not being passed, just put 2 hyphens. It will pass it to the scripts that it's running at the moment. So this is all about the watch mode. Basically, and I'm repeating, it will watch everything in the dependency graph, and when anything changes, it will rebuild the whole thing. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you.